We start the tour from the Chain Bridge and drive over to the Buda side. We stop in the Castle District to show you the area's main attractions. The Matthias Church, a great example of Central European Gothic style, and the Fisherman's Bastion, a perfect spot for enjoying the beautiful panorama. Then we drive all the way up to the Gellért Hill to show you the most spectacular view of Budapest. Afterwards, we take you to Pest and show you the famous Central Market Hall, the Hungarian National Museum, and the largest Synagogue of Europe. The tour continues with a drive along the Andrássy Avenue, passing by the Opera House and St. Stephen's Basilica. Then we stop at the Heroes Square, which is the most spacious square of Budapest. After the 3-hour-long city tour, you can have a pleasant river cruise on the Danube and refresh yourself with a glass of drink. Just relax and enjoy the sights of Budapest from a different perspective. The tour ends at the pier.